Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Matt's Finds, the Scrap Metal Art Edition. Today we're going to try to make something cool of what we have right here. So as we can see, we have an old stand piece. I don't know what that went to. We have an old spoon. Got some old pegs. Got some of these right here we're going to use in the project. We have a 6x9 speaker. And we have a little saw blade. And we have this piece right here off of a Ford F-150 tire rim. Alright, so stick around and you'll see what we're going to make out of this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to want to do is I want to remove this paper plastic plate right here for the speaker. So I just want to take a flat head and that exposes that part. Now I can rip this out. Alright, so there we go. So now we can see the inside parts of it, now that the paper's not in the way. As you can see, I welded that tire piece onto the speaker, so you might can start to see what it's looking like. Alright guys, so now we're all caught up. As you can see, still a little hot in some places, but we made like a turtle. And you see, like, this is the bottom part of the turtle shell, and you got his feet and his tail and his head poking out, and that's the top part of his shell right there, as you can see. But instead of welding it to a base in place, I wanted to make this one more of a motion art. So you see this magnet that's on the speaker? Inside it's magnetic right here, right? So we got this stand, right? I'm gonna take the stand, I'm just gonna pop that on there like that. Now it's magnetic and it can be spun around or whatever. You just adjust it on the weight right there. See, if you want it to just sit straight up in place, and you can spin it around, and if you put it outside, the wind that blows will wind up, spinning it, and you can give them a nice pitched angle like that. And then when you want to move it, you just take it right off the base, set it down. And here's a view of the top of the turtle. And here's a view underneath. Alright guys, so that's it for today's scrap metal art. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.